How to create a magic square. A magic square is a square which is divided into smaller squares, each containing a number. The numbers in each vertical, horizontal, and diagonal row add up to the same value. Have you ever wondered how a magic square is created? Watch and listen carefully.
Let us learn how to make a magic square. This trick will work for any 9 consecutive numbers like 1 to 9, 11 to 19. This is a 3 by 3 magic square. First, draw a 3 by 3 grid as shown here. Now, write the 9 consecutive numbers outside the square and start drawing the lines as shown. Second, we will bring the numbers 1, 3, 7 and 9 from outside and fill the empty grid which is opposite to the number. 3 comes to this grid, 7 comes to this grid, 9 comes to this grid and 1 comes to this grid. Now we will transfer all the numbers from this grid to the empty magic square. We see that the sum of the numbers horizontally, vertically and diagonally is 15. Let us make another magic square by filling in the numbers from 15 to 23. We will follow the same procedure. We write all the numbers and draw the same lines. Then we will move all these numbers to the magic square grid. Again, we find that the sum horizontally, vertically and diagonally is equal to 57.
We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Now make your own magic square and ask your friend to solve it. You can place some numbers as clues in the magic square.
Be a part of the change. Help us reach 1 million teachers by liking and sharing this video with your network. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Download our free-to-use app Meghshala Online from Google Play Store. To know more, check the description below.